Alright guys, welcome back to another home renovation. We're finally getting around to the front door. We bought a 4-panel glass door to go in to let a little bit more natural light in. I'm going to remove this door and install the new one. Let's just get to it. Alright, so pretty much I started out with removing all of the caulking with the razor blade. Tried getting it nice and close to the trim, so when I hammered it off, it didn't start peeling any of the paint. A couple spots it didn't quite fully work, so I did have to do some touch up. But then I started taking out the screws that was in the frame, the door jamb. Then I gave up and started using the Sawzall just to make it a lot easier. Should have done this from the beginning. And then once I finally got all the things cut, the door just pretty much fell straight out, which is perfectly fine, didn't need anything. And then realized the builder did really good at actually insulating around the door, so I had to peel all of it off. And then there was this flashing at the bottom of the door to keep the water out. Well, the door's out. Now what? But once I finally get all the flashing free, I got it put back down and started putting down new caulk on it. And I'm able to slide the door in. And then I started the shimming process. Kind of took some time, back and forth, but finally, after quite a few tries, I got it. I got some shims behind every hinge and then in between, and then on the other side, I also got it, all the corners, down by the locks and the doorknob and all that area. So this door is extremely solid. It definitely took some time to get everything squared up. And then finally it was time to re-insulate around the door. Just went and picked up a spray foam can and just filled the void all the way around. And then finally, about an hour it dried, and I was able to start trimming it off with a razor blade. Then along came my son and said, "Let me show you how to do this the easy way." And like butter, just peeled it right on off. And then I was able to start doing the top trim, getting it on there. I did reuse the original trim work, so there was more holes to fill, but it saved some money. It's not bad to putty it up and sand it down. And then I was able to put the caulk back around it. It's a paintable silicone caulk deal mixture. I was able to put that on there, made everything smooth and blend it in, and then it was ready for some paint. Finally done. It took some time, but the door, it's white painted on this side, and then it's black painted on this side. Shimming it correctly, it just took some time. It's dead even now, from here down to there, all the way across, all the way down, and it works good. The door, it shuts and opens with ease. It doesn't swing one way or the other. It works. Guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, catch me on the next renovation. See you.